WDSU first warning weather forecast with weather impact days tonight through tomorrow for fog, smoke potential, warm temperatures, but we're hoping to cap this all off with some much needed rain. Let's talk about today though, 81. We're not really kind of in record territory, but we're at least in the ballpark. Very warm day, 81. The morning low of 55 is almost a typical day, but the warmer we can get during the day, it's easier for the air to hold more water vapor or humidity to it, and that plays into what we could do with the fog potential. We're just not seeing the signs just yet of everything adding up to big-time fog signals in this particular forecast, but I can tell you that we are looking at that fog potential when we'll get to the visibility forecast in some cases. With that visibility forecast, it's going to show you that we're already seeing some of that developing near Houma. I want to show you that temperature at 63. When we drop that close to the dew point, that means we're already starting to form that cloud on the ground, and that's signaled right there in the visibility forecast at 7 miles per hour. But elsewhere, we're doing okay tonight, and that's much better than last night. Some areas of fog we're already seeing. But look at maybe some of the better news as the rain chances finally going up as we end the week. Temperatures, though, still staying warm. When the rain chances really start to increase, well, that's going to give you the idea that we've got something going on in the front when we start to cool, bring in those rain chances. In the meantime, fog, smoke, then daytime warmth, and that forecast really doesn't change for the next several days, all the way through Wednesday and even into Thursday before the front arrives by the end of the week. So what are we looking at tonight for temperatures? We're looking at 50s North Shore and 60s and 50s South Shore. But again, for the fog forecast, as I showed at the top of the newscast, the areas of concern I'm seeing are North Shore, Mississippi coast, and near about the coast as you get to Terrebonne, Lower Lafourche parishes. Those are my potential problem spots here tonight. So as we go throughout the day, we've got a few non-producing rain clouds that develop, but that's a lot of sunshine here for us. What about that smoke being trapped? And I think this is a good forecast. Shows that south winds push most of the smoke to the North Shore this time. I think South Shore is a little okay, but Plaquemines, I think that's a little overdone for you. But if you smell smoke, if you can see the haze, you know the air quality has decreased. High temperatures still to around 80 tomorrow. Now we're going to do this again Wednesday, but look at the fog forecast here. A lot more potential for widespread fog, so that's my first day to note that that could be more widespread dense fog, and you combine that with some smoke and it could be some smog. Temperatures starting off to upper 50s to around 60. Same thing's going to go for Wednesday with the smog and at least the air quality forecast. A lot of that is North Shore driven with the south winds. So the takeaway here is things are looking better here in South Shore, but we're staying warm. The morning fog potential also looks to be staying along the coast towards tomorrow, but Wednesday's the day for everybody. Then Thursday, put in some south winds, the approaching front, a little higher humidity. That could be some morning fog too. But the rain chances, let's talk about that. Thursday night, a first wave potential right here. We were hoping to get some rain on Friday, but you look at this big hole showing up right here. A lot more of it towards around the Ohio Valley, another bullseye into the coast. And we kind of get right in between where we don't get a whole lot. Then it's a little just cloudy and cool for the weekend, and most of the rain stays south and stays west of us there too. So the unfortunate part about that forecast is I do see some rain in the forecast, but not a whole lot of it. So as we get right into the WDSU first warning weather 7-day outlook, wrap it all up together. Morning fog potential tomorrow. Coast, Mississippi, the Terrebonne, Lafourche parishes, North Shore, but not that bad. Wednesday is another day that could be a little bit more worse. Still staying warm, but we'll hope for that rain Thursday night into Friday.